Can you use GCash, the Philippines' favorite mobile wallet, to send or receive money all the way in Bangladesh? Let's find out. First off, a clear answer: GCash, as a direct service, is currently not available or functional in Bangladesh. This means you cannot register for a GCash account using a Bangladeshi phone number, nor can you directly send or receive GCash transactions from Bangladesh. But don't worry if you're in Bangladesh and need digital payment solutions. There are readily available and excellent alternatives. In Bangladesh, the leading mobile financial services, often called digital wallets, are bKash, Nagad, and Rocket. These platforms allow users to send and receive money, pay bills, and make various transactions easily using their mobile phones. You can sign up for these services with a local Bangladeshi SIM card and enjoy a similar convenience to what GCash offers in the Philippines. So, while GCash won't be your go-to in Bangladesh, you have robust and widely adopted digital payment options right at your fingertips to keep your transactions moving smoothly.